Hello, welcome to OFI Law. This is our new office setup for the moment. Hopefully you enjoy it. We've moved offices recently, and this is what we're trying out. So if you enjoy the setup we have here, let us know. Or if you have suggestions for alternatives, also let us know in the comments below. Thought it'd be good to go through just some frequently asked questions for our video of the new office. However, if you have other questions or think things we can expand on, please let us know in the comments. We'll try to do so. So, first things first, let's go with what to do at the scene of the accident. We call it the
5
things to do at the scene of the accident. So number one, determine if you're able to safely leave your vehicle. If you're unable to, the first thing you do is call emergency services. If you have a cell phone, call 911. Provided you're able to get out safely, the second thing we do is get a copy of the other driver's operator's license, insurance, and registration. After you have that information, number three, the third thing we do is if you have a camera or cell phone, you want to get a picture of the scene of the area and the damage to all the vehicles. Number four, note the location of the collision as well as a sequence of events while they're fresh in your mind. This can be done on a notepad, a book, a voice memo, just something so later on, when the memory is less fresh, you still have a way to refresh your memory. Number five, in the event the vehicles cannot be moved, fluids have been spilled, oil, brake fluid, antifreeze, or there are any immediate injuries, contact emergency services. They'll attend the scene, make it safe. Tow vehicles need to be towed. And if somebody needs an ambulance, they'll arrange that as well, so everybody can leave the scene safely. Next, we're going to go to questions about what we do after the accident, after the scene. So firstly, if the police do not attend the scene of the collision, go to your nearest police station and fill out a collision report form. Second, report the claim to your insurance company. 3, seek medical services immediately. This can be attending your family doctor after the collision, going to the hospital, or an urgent care center. You'll also likely seek treatment afterwards. And that leads us to number 4, follow the advice of the healthcare professionals. This can be for treatments such as physiotherapy, chiropractic therapy, massage therapy, or a number of other therapies from dental treatments to psychological treatments. Lastly, number 5, contact a lawyer to discuss the process, and they can assist you with your claim. This leads to our next FAQ, do I really need a lawyer? So our next section in this FAQ series is, do I really need a lawyer? If you've been hurt by someone else's actions and are entitled to compensation, a lawyer can assist you in ensuring that you're properly compensated. The insurance companies use professionals to reduce their risks and lower the payment on claims. Without legal representation, you're at a disadvantage. Advocacy can be difficult and time-consuming. And if you're not a lawyer practicing in this area, there's likely a knowledge imbalance between the insurance company and yourself. A lawyer can help level the playing field and make sure that you can actually get fair compensation and that you can move on with your life without serious difficulties. Or if there are serious difficulties, at least have those compensated for. And of course, hiring a lawyer naturally leads to our next FAQ question, is how much will hiring a lawyer cost me? So in the area of personal injury, most files we work on are on what's called a contingency fee basis by a contingency fee agreement. And this means that our fees come out only after there's been a successful conclusion to the claim, and they are essentially a percentage of the claim amount. This limits the financial stress associated with hiring a lawyer while still having proper representation. The next frequently asked question is, what do we do? So the first thing we do is we offer a free consultation. We understand how difficult it can be dealing with the aftermath of a motor vehicle accident. And it's important that you do not agree with the settlement before talking to someone. Part of this partnership, however, means if we do decide to work together, that you attend treatment to help your injuries on a regular basis and try to get better. The next thing we do is we gather evidence. After the consultation, if we decide to work together, we start to gather the documentation that forms the evidence needed to support your claim. We'll order medical treatment records. This includes medical histories. We'll get receipts for any out-of-pocket expenses you may have incurred, and financial information such as tax returns to show whether there's been an economic loss. Basically, we get the information needed to substantiate your claim and show how the action is affecting you as a person in your particular situation. The last thing we do, from a very general standpoint, as what most people think most of what we do is, and in fairness, it does make up a significant portion of what we do on the file, is what I'll broadly term as litigation. It's the length of time your case takes to resolve, and essentially starts with the statement of claim that must be filed within 2 calendar years of the motor vehicle accident, dealing with the defense lawyer, receiving first order statement of defenses, creating affidavit of records, going through questioning, which is similar to a deposition, mediation, and ultimately end up a trial. This does all take a period of time and is a very hard process due to the formalities for individuals to navigate on their own. So this is a significant portion of what we do to help people get through this. So those are the initial frequently asked questions that we get. We appreciate there are a number of questions you may have, either in general or to your specific situation. We're going to try to answer more questions on this channel and on our website at ofelaw.com. So if you're interested in this type of material and information, please either subscribe to the channel, like the videos as it does help the algorithm, or just come back to our website from time to time as it will be constantly updated and evolving. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate your time. As always, take care. And if you have questions, please reach out. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.